I did it.
All right.
It was quick.
All right. Let's
It was
show.
quick.
Let's
I
show
missed
Mama.
it.
Let's show Mama. You do it. How you do it again.
Princess Presto's Wands-Up Writing Game. With my magic spelling wand, we can spell words to make them appear. First, listen to the sound and press on the letter that makes that sound. Then, we'll write the letter together. Wands up. Spell the word hot with me.
Hot.
Which letter makes the sound P?
Good job.
Sensational.
Now can you write the P?
P with me. Now write P.
You gotta wait till she's done talking. There you go. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Good job.
Which letter makes the sound ah?
Ah.
Ah.
That's right. Yeah. Good
Now
job.
write O. Now write O.
I made her do it when I talk.
Yeah, I guess you can do it when she talks.
Trying to keep you from rocking
Which
because I'm
letter
videoing.
makes the sound
There you go.
magnificent? Now write T with me. Now write T.
Mhm.
You're too fast for her, huh?
T. Beautiful. P. O. T.
Eden, pay attention.
Presto.
Pay attention.
Spectacular spelling. You spelled the word pot.
Pot.
And earned a sticker.
P-O-T. Pot. Ooh, you have a sticker of a pot.
Spell the word lamp with me.
Lamp.
I can stick
Which
with the
letter
lamp.
makes the sound
Well, if you finish this word, you will. Oh.
Oh,
It won't make me eat.
L.
And it won't make me
Now write L with me. Now write L. L.
That's right.
Magnificent.
Magnificent.
Makes the sound ah. Now write A.
Bubby's gonna love this video, Eden.
This. Start here. Then now write A. A. Great. Now, what letter makes the sound
Mmm.
this one.
Well, what do you think?
Try it out.
Oops.
Oh.
You can try this one.
Right.
You want me to write this one? I want you to write this one.
This.
You can write this one.
I'll try.
Now write M.
Did I do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sensational.
Sensational.
Which letter makes the sound
I'm gonna do.
Okay.
I'm gonna spell that.
Now write
Why does that need two?
with me like this. Start
Well, it's a
here.
different word than the last
Then
one.
write like this.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Start at the top. There you go. Do the top first. There you go. Good job.
Good job.
L A M P. Presto! Spectacular spelling. You spelled the word
Lamp.
and earned a sticker.
You got a lamp sticker.
job, Eden.
What's up?
You,
Spell the
me,
word dog
me.
with me.
Okay.